How to fix services not available on TikTok. So if your fix your services is not available on your TikTok, then what you need to do is you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection at first. Because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find some kind of problems. So make sure that you have the internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. After that, you can just simply go with search. And here you need to search for TikTok. After searching for your TikTok, if you have any updates on your TikTok, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then locate TikTok application, tap and hold on to it, go with the app info session. From here, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, a problem might be fixed. Or if you are using any VPN, then you just need simply go and turn off your VPN. And after turning off your VPN, your problem might be fixed. Go and restart your device, open up your TikTok, and it will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.